So what do you do during the most historic blizzard since 1978 in Rhode Island to keep yourself occupied? For me, I've been playing Final Fantasy, waiting for Resident Evil to drop on Friday, working on beats, but trying to keep my mind occupied. Been reading a little bit, but you have to do something to get better at your craft every single day. Even if it's just something chilling, playing games, just doing stuff. As long as you're doing something that uses this, instead of doing something that is a lot less occupying, then every day you're working towards your goals, and that's something that you should be doing. So, what did you accomplish today? Drop a comment. Let me know.